The word we'll be learning in this section is 性格, which you will often hear in conversations about people's personalities and characteristics. The word 性格 means personality. It refers to the set of emotional qualities, habits, and behaviors that define a person's character. This word captures elements such as attitudes, likes, and dislikes that contribute to who someone is as an individual. The first kanji means nature or character and also relates to sex or gender. In the word seibetsu, it marks whether something is male or female, and in seishitsu, it points to the basic nature or disposition of a thing. The second kanji means rank, standard, or the character of something. In the word kakko, it gives the sense of outward form or status. And in fukaku, it contributes the idea of an imposing character or style. He has a good personality. 彼は性格がいいです。彼は性格がいいです。He has a bad personality. 彼は性格が悪いです。彼は性格が悪いです。Our personalities match. 私たちの性格が合う。私たちの性格が合う。I look at his personality. 彼の性格を見る。彼の性格を見る。The most common synonym of the word 性格 is 性質. While 性格 is about an individual's personality characteristics and character traits, 性質 refers to the inherent nature or qualities of a person or object. It can mean nature, property, or disposition, not necessarily limited to humans. It has no antonyms.